I'm Jessica. I came to Neaman Plastic Surgery to have skin removal surgery after a massive weight loss. I was obese my whole life. One day I just decided I didn't want the health issues that came with it and decided to change my life. Along with that, I just had all this excess skin and I didn't want it anymore. It also didn't match the view of my body that I had in my head. Seeing it on a daily basis kind of negated the whole weight loss process. It just felt like the next step in my journey of being who I should have been all along. Once I got to meet Dr. Neaman, I was a ball of nerves. He instantly put me at ease. He educated me. He didn't make me feel like an oddball. He answered all my questions and said, I think that you're a great candidate for this. Since then, it's been an unbelievable journey. I absolutely love my results. Every single day I wake up and I'm like, is this me? Like, this isn't me. And that skin is not holding me back. I'm not having to wear clothing that hides it. I can show off my body and feel comfortable in the body that I'm in. Dr. Neaman has said before that he's just an overpaid plumber, and I couldn't disagree with him more because he's an artist. He really is. He gives you the body that you had in your mind, that you thought you should have. Sorry, I'm gonna get emotional.
That's fantastic. Take your time.
I just feel like I fit who I'm supposed to be.